I'm sorry, Claude Code cannot edit videos. Anyone who says to you Claude Code can edit your videos is talking nonsense, because you can't see what he's doing. You can't tweak the prompt. You can't edit what he's done. But check out this unbelievable app. I'm literally going to show you in front of you how AI edits this video, adds sound effects, adds remotions, adds hyperframes, adds overlays. Check this out right now. Let me drop a video onto my timeline. I just dropped a video onto the timeline. I can either edit by chatting over here down in the box right on top of my head, or I can use a preset prompt which I've already created, and then I can edit that way. So of course I'm going to use one I made earlier. I'm going to click on the automate button and click on this button here, which is one of my automations, which not only has a preset prompt, which by the way you can see right here, and you can screenshot it because it's absolutely incredible, this specific prompt. It's going to do the perfect edit. Now check it out. It's using all of these skills in order to create the video, to edit it. But the best part about this automation is not only is it going to edit the video, add B-roll, hyperframe, subtitles, sequence the clip, sound effects, animated zoom, subject zoom, frame snapshot, and multi-action, it's also going to publish to all the channels of my choice, meaning this specific automation is going to publish to all of my business channels. So that means I don't have to go and then publish to TikTok and then Instagram separately and then Facebook and then YouTube and then X. This is going to do all of it for me. Now, as you can see, it's generating animations for all of these. Every purple one is a hyperframes. Every orange one is a remotions. So it's adding all the effects, and the amazing thing about this, you can actually see what's happening, and that's the difference between this and editing with something like Claude Code. Over here you can edit, you can type in the chat, you can test out different things, and once you get comfortable, once you're comfortable with the edit, you can only then start letting AI do everything for you in one click, like you watched me do. So as you can see, we're about to see overlays by remotions and hyperframes pop up on the screen, and it will show me exactly what it's putting onto my timeline. So just let's wait 1 second together and watch it happen live with me. All right, here's the first effect that's going to be added to the timeline. You can see the quality of this effect, and it's being dropped. You can even see the animation of it being dropped onto the timeline. Let me show you another one. So as you can see, it's rendering amazing effects, which basically keep people glued to your videos, which in turn means the algorithm pushes your video to more freaking people. What more could you want? If your videos are boring, and even if your videos are not boring, adding effects, sound effects, music effects, and all doing this automatically is going to push your video through the algorithm to the point where people who are watching your videos will stay till the end, even if the content is boring, which basically means that you're going to be reaching in front of a larger audience and getting more people interested in your product, service, or app, which basically means that this is like a no-brainer for anyone who wants to get more views. Now, as you can see, since the video was completely edited, it's now posting into 4 YouTube channels, or 5, 3 TikTok channels, 2 Facebook, 1 Twitter, and I forgot, let me just check, and 2 Instagram channels, and you're about to see notifications pop up. So not only does this edit your video and add all the sound effects and subtitles and everything, but it even publishes to all your channels. Like, this is such a no-brainer. Can somebody please in the comments, please tell me why you are not going to use this software? I really don't understand. This is a no-brainer. If I was watching a video like this and I saw somebody showing me that by just dropping a video onto the timeline and typing a prompt, I could get AI to edit my video completely, and then I could automate the entire process in a visual app, I would just get it. Can somebody in the comments tell me why they will never touch zippyclip.net? I just want to understand. All we try and do in this channel is provide value, and I want to understand why someone wouldn't get this. Like, we have a lot of users, but I want to understand the people who don't use this. Why are you not jumping in?